Hello guys, today I will show you 3 redstone builds that will blow your mind. I have added a story behind every build that I do today, so it took ages to complete this video. So if you like this video, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I have a Discord server, you can join in it, and I will play with you guys.
So, let's get started. Flying machine.
Do you have a plan to explore your world, and tired of walking through tough hills and valleys? Then you could make a flying machine to travel long distances without having to worry about walking through rough terrain. Now, follow my steps to make a easy flying machine.
Now you can go wherever you want in just a place of a block. But be careful, there is no easy way to get down of this machine. Bed trap. Have you ever want to make a trap for your friend, or anyone you don't like? Then follow me and make a bed trap. Whenever someone sleep on that bed, it explodes.
After you complete building the trap, run before anyone notices, or you will be caught red-handed. Flush piston door. This is a very simple door made of redstone. Follow me to make a working piston door. This may be useful to you in many situations.